Hi, what's up everybody? So Quentin hitting you with another video of how you can make money online. So basically today I'm going to be talking about 5 websites that offer small tasks for you to earn some couple of bucks. So if you stay tuned, you're going to learn more about these websites that I'm going to be talking about it. But if you're here for the first time, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and leave a comment. So without saying more, let's jump straight into it. So the first one is called Hive Micro. So Hive Micro is a website that offers you simple tasks. So these simple tasks will be able to help you earn real money in the end. So simple tasks that Micro Hive has, it also have a Play Store application that they do have. So this Play Store application, a APK application that they have, you can find it on Google Store, Play Store, as well as an Apple Store. So you can just go straight into it and download the application if you'd like to work using your mobile devices. But then if you're comfortable with using your computer like what I do, you can also focus on doing the task from your PC, from your computer. So let's get straight into Hive Micro. So the first thing that you're supposed to do is to sign up to the application. After you've signed up to the application, you can use your Google account, you can use your Facebook profile actually to sign up. Then the second thing you're supposed to do is to apply for the job. After you have applied for the job, now you get to complete those simple tasks that you do. After you complete those simple tasks, then you get paid. So let's just jump to the tasks that they'll be offering on this website. So the first one is to draw a box around an object, then categorize the scene in an image. Then there's transcribe audio to text. I think most of you are familiar with this one now if you follow most of the videos that I've posted previously. Then the second thing is to take the same object across frames in a video. So this is more of just clicking within a video, following the object and movement. So it's part of the small tasks that are offered on this website. So the main payment method, which is familiar to most of you, is PayPal and Bitcoin. But then the challenge is some of the countries here in Africa and other third world country is PayPal is not part of their country's payment wallet. So if you are not able to have an account of PayPal, or you do not have a relative who have a PayPal account, what you're supposed to actually do is to focus on Bitcoin, and maybe you create your Coinbase account, you create maybe your Binance account, as well as other Bitcoin wallet blockchain website that they do have as a payment method that you have. So this is the first way of making money through doing small tasks. So the second one is called Microworkers. Microworkers has been there for a very, very long time. Actually, I started using Microworkers, it was in 2017 when I was still at school. So what Microworkers does is they offer you simple tasks for you to do, and at the end you get paid for doing those jobs. So some of the jobs that are there is creating Google accounts, creating accounts on different websites, maybe for traffic, add traffic to their websites, and you get paid for it. So everything is just a click and drop, and you upload your proof of doing the job on the website, then you get paid actually from doing those jobs. So some of the jobs that they do have is surveys, data annotation, there's image quality rating, there's sentiment analysis, image transcription, then there is content moderation, as well as data mining and translation as part of the jobs that you'll be offering. So sometimes, let me give you a certain example. Maybe you have a YouTube channel that you want to promote. Maybe what that they want to promote is the client on the website. They'll post their YouTube account and would like their link to be shared on different Facebook platforms as a way of drawing more attention to their YouTube channel, so that it gets out there to the people. It is an easy way of marketing YouTube content, as well maybe as website traffic. So these are the type of jobs that they offer on Microworkers. It doesn't require any type of skills for you to be able to take on these certain tasks. So for you to withdraw, you're supposed to reach that threshold, which is $10. So after you've reached $10, then you are able to withdraw, which you can reach within a couple of hours if you're dedicated to it. Maybe you take maybe 2 hours to reach $10, or some of the jobs actually pays you 50 cents or $3 to do a certain task, but most of them actually pays less for you to do these Microworkers jobs. Some will pay you maybe 10 cents, 20 cents, 10 cents, 20 cents, 50 cents, but you will be able to be surprised to get certain tasks that will require you to do the job. Then you get paid $5. Maybe the task requires you testing an application, as well as analyzing websites, or as well as testing new websites if they are user friendly to the people and stuff, or mobile user friendly or PC user friendly. Those type of jobs, then they pay you more money for that, since it requires more of your focus and attention towards that certain job that they've given you as a micro worker. So the withdrawal method that they do have is PayPal, then there's Q and ATM as the main withdrawal method that I know of on Microworkers. So yeah, I'll put the link right below so that you can go and check it out. So let's go straight to the third micro jobs that they do offer online, which are worldwide. Clickworkers.com. I've actually spoken about this also before. So in brief, Clickworkers is a small task platform for you to get paid from. So what you are required to do on this website is to do simple tasks, and you get paid from it. Clickworkers is more of an AI model or machine learning website. So what you're supposed to do is to improve the way and effectiveness of this model learning mechanization of softwares on their website, since it is more similar to Appen and Linebridge. So some of the jobs requires text creation, categorization, there is survey, there's proofreading, then there is data analysis, app testing, and certain mysterious skills and tasks that are required for you to be able to earn some extra bucks from it. So you should just go and check it out, and maybe you find something that interests you to do on your party time, on your leisure, or mainly focus on to earn some couple of bucks at the end of the day. So on Clickworkers, the main payment method is Pioneer, PayPal, and SEPA. So these are the main payment with methods that are there, PayPal and Pioneer. So let's jump into another way of getting paid from doing so. So the third one is called Picoworkers. Then Picoworkers is not much different from Microworkers. Actually, they do have the same method of taking these tasks and earning some extra bucks from it. And this works worldwide. So despite your location that you have, you are able to get the type of jobs that they offer on their websites. So it also includes doing small tasks like creating traffic for websites, proofreading, image quality ratings, all those kind of stuff. So this is one of the Microworkers jobs that they do offer here. Another thing about this website is they have the affiliate program campaign running on, so you can become an affiliate marketer for this website and actually get paid certain commission or certain percent after the person that you have referred starts using the Picoworkers as well. So the referral program, if not mistaken, you get around 5% of the person or the downliner that you have helped to register or to use the website. So yeah, this is one of the Microworkers website that they do have here. Small task website. The withdrawal method that they do have is PayPal, ATM, Litecoin. Yeah, those are the main ones that I know of. Yeah, and the withdrawal method, you can withdraw as little as $5, if not mistaken. Yeah, it's $5, because I usually mainly focus on making a target of $10 to withdraw, but you can withdraw even less than $5 depending with the payment method that you do have to use. Yeah, so this is the other one. So let's jump to the last one, the last small task website that actually pays you to do small tasks. It's called $10. So $10 is a pay-to-click website where they pay you to click on certain websites, certain games, certain posts, and you get a couple of bucks from doing that. So some of the jobs that they do offer on $10 is post on Facebook, then there's view funny slideshows, play games, install application, complete these micro tasks that I've been talking about, as well as answering service. So $10 has been there for a while, and the good thing about $10 is it pays you daily bonuses, and you can start earning instantly. There's also do have referral programs as well as weekly payouts. So there are 6 different payment methods that they do have here on this application. So here, $10 is one of the ways you can make money from. So the first thing you are supposed to do is to go on $10bucks.com. Then you sign up. You can use your Facebook profile to sign in, or you can use your Google account to sign in. So some of the withdrawal method that they do have on this $10 website so on $10 you can withdraw using a Bitcoin. Then there is a Litecoin, Payam, there's ATM, there's bank transfer, as well as Skrill. So these are the withdrawal method that they do offer on $10. So go check this website, see if you're able to do any task from it, and if you're able to get some bucks out of it, please don't forget to share or to comment your experience actually of using any of these 5 small task website that I've given you, or any other website that I've given you. Your testimony will actually motivate other people actually to do these online jobs. Online jobs, the thing is, people are getting so saturated on these online jobs. So sometimes if you're starting to look for an online job, don't focus on one way of making money. Actually join up different websites, and the ones that you get approved from, then you have to focus on that. Then you start making money. As well as like, I want to focus on this one, and it doesn't work out for you, you end up saying maybe this online job doesn't even really work at all. So keep on trying, put more effort. At the end you see the results. Sometimes you end up getting paid maybe after 2-3 weeks after actually you have committed to working online. So these are some of the small tasks website that actually pays you to do small tasks worldwide despite the location that you do have. So yeah, I hope you like this video. If you want more videos of how you can make money online, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the like button and leave a comment as well. It really means a lot to me. Until then, cheers, and we will see you in the next video.